Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to add your college on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. Once you open it up, just simply come to your profile section. In your profile section, you can see the option of see you about information. In details option, just simply tap on it. And then here you can find the option of add college on the second number. Just simply tap on it. And here just simply search for your college, whatever it is. I'm just searching like anything. So if you have graduated from here or not, you can just uh, select this checkbox, or you can select the date and visibility and whatever you want to set. Just simply set over there, and then once you're done with all of this stuff, just tap at save to continue. It will just take a while. So here we can see we have just simply added our college over there, and you can add another one also from here. Or if you want to add this same one, just simply tap at this pencil icon, and then you can delete it, or you can share it, or you can see live event or which you have added, or you can tap at added school to add this. And from here you can change this, you can add like in this way anything else, or you can change the dates or visibility also. Or if you want to delete it, just simply tap on it. From here you can also delete it. Once you're done with all of this stuff, just simply tap at save. It will be just take a while. So here you can see we have just edited it also. So that's how you can easily add college or add your college on Facebook. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in comment section below, and I recommend you to check the latest video and end screen. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video.